Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to remove chat folder on Telegram. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. In most messaging apps, managing chat has to be the most complicated task at hand, especially in app like Telegram where your chat are not limited individuals or group but channel and Telegram bot. Telegram certainly acknowledged the need when it introduced the chat folder feature. On my previous video, I've shown you how to create the chat folder on your Telegram. But now, what if you want to remove it? It's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Telegram. Now you can just tap on the three lines over here on the up left corner. You can go to settings. You can just scroll down. There is an option chat folder. You can just tap on that. And here's all the chat folder on your Telegram. If you want to remove one of them, you can just tap on the three line beside the chat folder. There is an option delete folder. You can just tap on that. Remove folder, you can just tap on delete. So now you have removed the chat folder from your Telegram. So simple, right? So that is how to remove chat folder on Telegram. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.